What's up, guys? My adrenaline is freaking nuts right now. I think I'm shaking a little bit, but I just had to walk outside the building here. We just did the third gen parade out of Building T. Some of the player cars, Mike Brienza's, Sunoco, and Jay Hahn's, a couple other cars, but Detroit and Bruce Hawk's car as well. Man, it was just really a sight to be a part of, and they wanted me to film that, so I was in the parade just kind of in a golf cart filming it. And then we came up on the autocross track, and I jumped in Kyle Tucker's DSEZ car, and I just wanted to kind of man, that was freaking insane. It was just crazy, man. So I'm gonna try to just quickly edit this video and get this out, because I don't need to do a lot of damn talking. It's just crazy. Let's get in the car, and Kyle hits that skinny pedal, man. The rev, the smell of the gas, just everything, man. That car is just super intense, man. And I think my adrenaline is still going crazy. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up and let's get to it. Inside the DSEZ car with Kyle Tucker, boy. All right, I can go ahead. I can die anytime now. I done done everything I want to do, bro. Here we go.
See if he's gonna take another lap.
I love it, man. He's not taking it easy on that Sunoco.
It's nice. It's his son in the car now.
Oh, sweet.
Drone guy's going through batteries, so we want to make sure the drone was in. We'll get you and Jay together for a couple, and then we'll get the other ones out, and then we can all just roll back.
Sounds good.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much.
He's done such a great job coordinating and communicating with everybody.
He's like the Don King of
You guys promoting it. It's really neat what you guys are doing.
Yeah, thank you so much. This is fun,
Yeah, it is.
I like just being part of it. Crackling outside, man.
It likes to go on the big stuff.
And what kind of gas you run in here? I definitely smell it.
Yeah, it's actually a mix right now, like 93 and some racing.
Nice.
All ahead in it. It'll run on 93.
Hey, I've seen you smile pretty big, but I think you got the biggest smile
I know,
I've
man.
seen on your face right now.
I can't.
You're in the DSEZ with Kyle Tucker.
I know, man. I don't blush a lot, but
That's just your red shirt giving that up.
yeah, that's what it is. All right, let's do it, bro. Just whatever you want to do. Holy shit. coaster. Oh.
That was fun, man.
Oh my god. Oh my man. I don't know if I've had this so much fun in my life.
Good.
Bro, that was freaking amazing. Oh, now I can see what that's all about right there. That was incredible, Kyle.
Thank you.
Wow, man, you are intense. Like, I had no idea you could.
Crazy, man. Thank you.
I had no idea. You're driving them. I mean, you built the company and you can drive like that.